Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create new user profile in ASUS VIVOBOOK. To do this, we'll need to click on the start, go to the settings, here find accounts, then there's family and other users, and you'll be able to add additional family member or add someone else to this PC. Click on this plus button, and then now we can enter their Microsoft account credentials. But if they don't have them and you just want to create a basic profile, click on I don't have this person sign in information, and here add a user without Microsoft account. Now choose your username and we're gonna go for something like this. You can enter the password and re-enter it right here, but if you want to create a user profile without password, simply skip it with empty and click on next. And here's the profile that we just created. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.